Have you ever woken up in the morning, looked into the mirror, and wondered what more you could do to protect your eyes as you age? Imagine starting each day with small, intentional choices that not only fuel your body, but also keep your vision sharp, clear, and vibrant well into your later years. Many seniors are surprised to learn that what you eat first thing in the morning can play a powerful role in preventing cataracts and strengthening your eyes. That's right. Your breakfast plate can actually become your best defense against vision decline. And today, we're going to explore exactly how. Before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with someone you care about so more people can protect their vision naturally. Now, let's begin with a simple truth. Cataracts, which cloud the eye's natural lens and make vision hazy, are often linked to oxidative stress. This happens when free radicals, those unstable molecules in your body, damage healthy cells, including the ones in your eyes. Research and lived experience from seniors around the world show that nutrition is one of the strongest tools we have against this process. Think of your eyes like a delicate camera. If the lens becomes cloudy, the picture blurs. But with the right foods, especially in the morning, you can reduce that cloudiness, protect the lens, and give your eyes the energy to stay clear. If that sounds valuable to you, don't forget to comment below with your own morning routine. We love hearing from you. One of the most overlooked parts of a morning diet is hydration. Many older adults wake up dehydrated, and that lack of fluid can make eyes feel dry, irritated, and even more vulnerable to oxidative stress. Starting the day with a glass of clean, room-temperature water, sometimes with a squeeze of lemon for vitamin C, can instantly rehydrate your eyes and body. Vitamin C itself has been studied for its role in slowing down cataract development. In fact, researchers have found that people with higher vitamin C intake had about a 20% lower risk of cataracts over a 10-year period. Imagine such a simple act. Water with a touch of citrus, working like a shield for your eyes. If this sounds like a tip you'd try, hit that like button so more people can learn about it. After hydration, protein becomes your next best friend in the morning. Why? Because proteins provide amino acids, which are the building blocks for glutathione, one of the body's most powerful antioxidants found in high concentrations in the lens of the eye. Eggs, for example, are a senior-friendly choice. Not only are they easy to digest, but the yolk also contains lutein and zeaxanthin, two natural pigments that act like sunglasses for your eyes, filtering harmful blue light and reducing the risk of cataracts. Many older adults have shared that including 1 or 2 eggs in the morning leaves them feeling satisfied while also helping their vision feel more steady throughout the day. Just imagine cracking an egg into your pan and knowing that each bite is defending your eyes from cloudiness. To keep getting tips like this, be sure to subscribe right now so you don't miss future videos. Now let's talk about a nutrient most seniors don't get enough of, omega-3 fatty acids. While most people think of fish as the main source, your morning meal can also include ground flax seeds or chia seeds sprinkled over oatmeal or yogurt. These tiny seeds are rich in omega-3s, which not only support tear production for comfortable eyes, but also fight inflammation that can contribute to cataract development. A simple spoonful in your breakfast can make a big difference over time. A senior I once spoke with said that after making this small change, adding chia seeds to her morning smoothie, she not only noticed less dryness, but also felt her eyes were brighter throughout the day. If you're someone who wants brighter eyes too, give this video a thumbs up right now. Another underrated eye protector for your morning diet is colorful fruit. Think berries, oranges, or even papaya. These are bursting with antioxidants like vitamin A, C, and E, all crucial for preventing oxidative stress in the lens of the eye. Blueberries, in particular, are known for their anthocyanins, which improve circulation to the tiny blood vessels in the eyes. Older adults often share that when they begin to include a bowl of mixed fruit in the morning, they notice not only better digestion but also less strain when reading. Imagine starting your day with nature's candy that quietly strengthens your eyes with every bite. Doesn't that sound like a morning worth having? And if you agree, please subscribe because your support helps us bring even more life-changing tips to you. Whole grains also deserve a place on your breakfast table. Foods like steel-cut oats, whole-grain toast, or quinoa provide steady energy without the sugar spikes that can harm your eyes over time. Spikes in blood sugar have been directly linked to faster development of cataracts, so maintaining balance first thing in the morning is key. Studies have shown that people who keep their blood sugar steady have a significantly reduced risk of cataracts and other age-related eye diseases. So when you choose oatmeal instead of a sugary pastry, you're not just feeding your body, you're also protecting your eyesight. If this tip resonates with you, leave us a quick comment below with your favorite whole-grain breakfast, because sharing your ideas inspires others. Let's not forget about nuts and seeds, especially almonds and walnuts. A handful in the morning delivers vitamin E, which acts like armor for your eye cells. Vitamin E has been shown in studies to slow cataract progression, and many seniors who keep nuts in their breakfast routine report that it's one of the easiest habits to maintain. Think about it. Just a small bowl of oatmeal topped with nuts and berries becomes a complete eye-protecting meal. It's simple, delicious, and effective. If you're finding these ideas useful, tap that subscribe button so we can keep supporting your journey toward healthier eyes. Green leafy vegetables might not sound like typical breakfast food, but adding spinach or kale into an omelet or smoothie can give your eyes a morning dose of lutein and zeaxanthin. These carotenoids are proven to concentrate in the retina and lens, acting as a shield against harmful light and oxidative damage. Researchers from Harvard found that individuals with high levels of lutein and zeaxanthin had up to a 40% lower risk of developing cataracts. Isn't that remarkable? Just imagine blending a handful of spinach into your morning smoothie and silently reducing your risk of cloudy vision in the years to come. If that inspires you, please like this video right now. It truly helps spread awareness. Of course, coffee and tea often make an appearance in the morning for seniors. And while moderation is key, green tea in particular contains catechins, antioxidants that can reduce oxidative stress in the eye. Seniors in countries like Japan, where green tea is a morning ritual, have reported lower rates of cataracts. That simple cup of tea could be more than a comforting drink. It could be an extra layer of protection for your vision. If you're a tea lover, let us know in the comments what your favorite morning drink is. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical eye health wisdom. Now let's step into something many people overlook when planning their morning diet: balance. It's not just about eating one or two eye-healthy foods, it's about creating a combination that works together. For example, pairing vitamin C-rich fruits with iron-containing foods like oats or whole-grain toast helps your body absorb nutrients more effectively. This synergy allows antioxidants to circulate and reach your eye tissues where they are most needed. A balanced plate in the morning is like giving your eyes a well-equipped toolbox, rather than just a single tool to fight off damage. If you want to keep filling your own toolbox, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss these life-changing strategies. Let's imagine a senior sitting down to breakfast, a slice of whole-grain toast topped with smashed avocado, a boiled egg on the side, a small bowl of blueberries, and a glass of green tea. This plate covers protein, healthy fats, antioxidants, lutein, vitamin C, and hydration all in one sitting. It's colorful, filling, and science shows it's protective. Many older adults who follow this kind of diet report they feel not just energized, but also less worried about their vision as they age. Because every meal becomes an act of prevention, an investment in their sight. If you find this example helpful, give this video a thumbs up. It helps others discover these tips. Another powerful ingredient to consider for mornings is carrots. Now, we've all heard since childhood that carrots are good for your eyes. But let's go deeper. Carrots are packed with beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A is critical for keeping the cornea clear and for producing the pigments that allow us to see in low light. Seniors who include carrots in their diet often notice that their eyes adjust to dim light more comfortably. A carrot smoothie or even shredded carrots mixed into oatmeal can be a fun way to start the day. And yes, it may sound unusual, but many seniors who experiment with this find it surprisingly enjoyable. If you'd be open to trying carrots in your morning routine, let us know in the comments. Let's also talk about yogurt. Plain, unsweetened yogurt is not only good for digestion, but it's also a source of zinc. Zinc helps bring vitamin A from the liver to the retina, where it's used to produce melanin, the protective pigment in the eye. Without enough zinc, your night vision may weaken and your risk of cataracts may rise. Yogurt paired with berries or sprinkled with chia seeds becomes a nutrient-dense breakfast that feeds both your gut and your eyes. It's one of those double-benefit foods. Seniors who enjoy yogurt in the morning often share that they feel lighter, more comfortable, and also confident they're supporting their eyes. And if this tip resonates with you, don't forget to subscribe and share this with a loved one. Now, we can't forget spices. Something as simple as sprinkling cinnamon or turmeric onto your breakfast can enhance not only flavor but also protection. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound studied for its ability to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the eyes. Some evidence even suggests curcumin may slow the formation of cataracts. Adding a pinch into your morning tea, smoothie, or even oatmeal is a simple cultural practice in many households around the world. Seniors who adopt this habit often describe it as a golden secret for their eyes. Imagine how easy it is, just one sprinkle a day. If you'd try this, hit that like button so we know you're enjoying these practical tips. At this point, you may be wondering, how quickly do these changes make a difference? The answer is slowly but surely. Cataracts usually develop over years, and what you eat daily determines the pace. A senior who eats processed foods every morning, sugary cereals, pastries, fried foods, adds fuel to oxidative stress. But one who begins each day with hydration, antioxidants, proteins, and healthy fats is consistently fighting back. Think of it as painting a protective coat over your eyes every single morning. You may not feel it instantly, but over time the protection builds up. If this perspective helps you see food in a new way, leave a comment below to encourage others. We should also address caffeine and sugar together. While a moderate cup of coffee is fine, loading it with sugar and creamers can quickly cancel out its benefits. Excess sugar raises blood glucose levels, which accelerates cataract formation. Seniors with diabetes or prediabetes are especially at risk. The morning is when sugar cravings can sneak in, but choosing fruit instead of processed sweets keeps your blood sugar steady and your vision protected. Real stories from older adults confirm that once they cut down on added sugars in the morning, not only did their energy improve, but eye exams began showing less progression of cataracts. Isn't that a change worth making? If you agree, make sure to like and subscribe so more people can learn how food choices directly shape eye health. Something else worth mentioning is timing. Studies have shown that eating a nutrient-rich breakfast within the first couple of hours of waking can stabilize blood sugar and improve nutrient absorption. Seniors who delay eating until late morning sometimes miss this window of optimal absorption. Even a small nutrient-dense meal like yogurt with fruit or a smoothie with greens can give your eyes that early advantage. Timing matters just as much as the food itself. So next time you wake up, think of your eyes and try not to skip breakfast. And if this motivates you, don't forget to comment, "I will protect my eyes," below. We'd love to hear your commitment. Finally, let's circle back to the bigger picture. Preventing cataracts and strengthening your eyes is not about a single food or a magic pill. It's about building a habit day after day where your breakfast choices become a consistent form of protection. Think of it as gardening. One glass of water won't grow a plant, but steady watering, sunlight, and soil care will. In the same way, your eyes thrive when they're consistently nourished with vitamins, antioxidants, and hydration. This consistency pays off not just in clearer vision but also in confidence, knowing you are actively defending your sight. If this analogy inspires you, please subscribe so you never miss the next set of tips to keep your vision strong.